Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the power supply unit, unlatch and remove the base cover from the system. Unlatch and remove the front bezel. Identify the hard drive assembly. Unlatch it. Disconnect the hard drive data cable and power cable. And disconnect optical drive cable. Lift the assembly out of the system. Find the power supply unit and disconnect the cables. Remove the 3 screws. And unlatch the unit. Lift the PSU out of the system to remove it. To reinstall the power supply unit, relatch it and tighten the 3 screws. Reconnect the cables. Put the hard drive assembly in the system. Reconnect the cables. Relatch the assembly. Relatch the front bezel and base cover. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.